Good morning. I'm a weather geek, and I think weather is amazing. Weather impacts billions of people every day. In fact, weather impacts over a third of the world's GDP every single day. I think that's phenomenal. And at the Weather Company, we've been reinventing ourselves over the last couple of years to really make sure that we've got the best forecasts built on the best science so that we can have what's really an awesome weather data platform so that we can wrap the best stories, the best services, and the best safety all tied to weather. If you think about the intersection of weather and consumer behavior, weather in your own life, you'll understand and realize just how important weather is to all of the decisions that we all make every day. And so at the Weather Company, we really have moved past where we started. Most of you know us as the Weather Channel, the most distributed cable network in the United States. But today we're much more than that. Today, we're much more than weather.com. And Weather Underground, weather.com being a top 15 website. Today we're more than the fleet of mobile apps that we own and operate that are installed on probably most of your devices today. Today we've got and we've built, with a great partnership with AWS, we've built a data platform that powers a whole suite of mobile applications with our partners at Apple, Google, Samsung, Lenovo, Dell, HP, the list goes on, right? Those partnerships are really important, and they impact over 1 billion people around the world. We also have an amazing fleet of B2B services where we power 48 of the world's 100 largest airlines with weather decision making so that they can operate over 50,000 flights safely every day. We're the world's largest energy and insurance weather provider. We provide weather data and systems and tools to over 500 local media broadcast companies in markets all over the world. Now, this transformation, this journey that we've been on as we try to wrap an amazing weather platform around the amazing science that underpins it all, has not been an easy transformation. We started this journey in a pretty deep hole, a hole that came from a series of acquisitions, normal course of business, some underinvestment along the way, that ended up with 13 data centers that were all interdependent, interconnected. We had pretty much every data platform that you could imagine all running across these environments. Heck, I still had a VAX in production up until about a year ago. Now, all of this complexity kind of resulted in a very low level of successful change. And agility starts with your ability to make quick change. And if your changes are unsuccessful, then even if you make a lot of them, you're not very agile. And so we had to change. We had to change our technology, but more importantly, we had to change our culture. Because if you're on a journey to transform your business or your company to be an agile company, one that takes advantage of the full suite of offerings that AWS provides, it does start with your culture. It starts with your team and it starts with your people. And we had to go through that transformation. To do that, we did have to make technology bets. We had to go through and figure out where were we going to place our bets and what was important. And so we chose AWS. We chose AWS because it gave us the confidence that we needed to be able to move forward. We use a fleet of services across the board that gives us the ability to produce and distribute upwards of 15 billion forecasts every day. That's somewhere between 100 and 150,000 transactions every second to consumers and businesses all over the world, we had to be able to rely and be confident to do that. And so the partnership with AWS for us has been tremendous. Every time we've hit a roadblock or a challenge, or we've pushed an element further than it was designed to be pushed, they've jumped right in there with us and helped us make it better. And that's what a partnership is all about. And the end result of that is a really great platform. A data platform that enables us to ingest data from over 800 different sources all over the world. Radar data, both satellite and terrestrial. Data from the 35,000 personal weather stations connected into the Weather Underground network. Data from the Internet of Things will continue to grow, and we've got a platform that's built to scale and handle that growth as we continue to refine the accuracy of our forecasts and provide better data and better decision-making tools so that we can help both consumers and businesses make those decisions in real time with more confidence as we move forward. Now, that confidence starts with the forecast. If you're going to be a big data company, if you're going to be the leading forecaster in the world, then you better be the most accurate. So this transformation has given us the power to have the world's most accurate forecast. Last year when we launched this, all running on AWS, we moved from forecasting 2.2 million locations that we would update about every 4 hours to forecasting for nearly 3 billion locations updated every 15 minutes. It's a massive step change that provides the world's most accurate forecasts. We always roll those forecasts out to Weather Underground first. It's our test bed, if you will, to make sure that we're good with it before we roll it into the Weather Channel. So you'll always see here Weather Underground slightly edging out as we have the fun internal competition, which is the spirit of what that culture needs to be. And so the accuracy that we've got, we're very proud of. We're going to continue to focus in on that. We're going to continue to make sure that we can scale the platform, leverage the best science, both atmospheric science and computer science, to ensure that we've got always the world's most accurate data to help everybody make the decisions that they need to make. And with the world's best data gives us the credibility to be able to power every iOS 8 device, every Google Now enabled Android device, over 170 million downloads of our own applications all over the world. And so we're really proud to have the confidence and the partnership with AWS that has given us the scale and the capabilities to be at the intersection of consumer behavior and weather in a really big way. Thank you.